Good morning to all. I am Pawan Kumar, Grade 3, Subject Maths, Chapter 3, Subtraction, Reason Part. My practice time 1. Chapter 1, Subtract. It is a subtraction part. Already we know that the subtraction part. What is meant by subtraction? It is a 3-digit numbers with 1-digit number. First one, 3-digit numbers. You want to minus 3 from 456. The given number is 456 minus 3. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. First we take the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. First we subtract the ones place. Step 1. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. The next one, we go to the tens place. Step 2. The tens place is 5 only having. So bring out the number 5. Bring out the number 5, then write ones place, tens place. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. It's right in ones place, and then bring down the number 5, write in tens place. The next 400, that's also write in hundreds place. So our answer is 453. 453. The next one. Solve. It's also minus 778 minus 9. 778 minus 9. First we take the place value. Ones, tens and hundreds. We want to minus, so we go to the ones place first. Here our ones place is 8, 9. Step 1. Eight minus 9. 8 minus 9 is not possible. So borrow 110 from 10th place. So already 8 having. So 110 plus 8, 18. 9 becomes 18. 8 becomes 18. 8 becomes 18. Here 7 becomes 6. 8 becomes 18 and 7 becomes 6. Now 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is possible. So 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. The number 9, write in ones place. The next, we go to step 2. Step 2 is a tens place, it is ones place. And step 2, tens place. Here tens place, 7 becomes 6. 6 only having. So bring down the number 6, write in tens place. The next 100, 700 having. So 700, bring down the hundreds place. So our answer is 769. 769. Listen here. You want to minus. So the number 9. Subtract from 778. First we subtract ones place. 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 is not possible. So we go to borrow 110 from 10th place. 110 from 10th place. Already 8 having. So 110 plus 8 is equal to 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. The next step to 10th place. 10th place 7 becomes 6. 7 becomes 6. 6 only having. So bring down the number 6 and write in 10th place. The next we go to 100th place. 100th place 7 only having. Bring down the number 7. Write in 100th place. Third one, write in columns and subtract. Write in column and subtract. Given the sum 516 from 617. 516 from 617. You want to minus 670, subtract, that means minus 516. What is our question part? Write in columns. Write in columns. First we write the vertically 670 minus 516. Next we write the place value. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. First we solve the ones place. Here ones place is 7, 6. Step 1. Ones place. You want to subtract 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. The number 1 write in ones place. Next we will do the tens place. Step 2. Tens place. Here our tens place value is 1, 1. 1, 1. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. The next one. Step 3. Hundreds place. Here our hundreds place value is 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 600 minus 500. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. The number 1 write in hundreds place. So our answer is 101. Our answer is 101. 670 minus 516 is equal to 101. The next one, my practice time 2. First one, subtract. The given digit is 4-digit number 3874. 3874. Subtract means minus. So we want to minus 2. Subtract from 3874. First we take the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Step 1. Ones place first. You want to subtract ones. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. The number 2 write in ones place. The next lesson, the first row 3874. Then second row 2 only having. Here tens place and hundreds place and thousand place. It's nothing, so we take 0. Nothing means 0. We take 0. 0, 0, 0. So now we want to minus tens place. Step 2. Here tens place is 7 minus 0. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. So number 7 write in tens place. Next we go to the hundreds place. Step 3. Hundreds place. 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. The next one we go to thousand place. Step 4. Thousand place. Here thousand place is 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. So our answer is 3872. 3872. The next one, it's also minus. Question number 2, solve. Question number 2, solve. It is a borrow method or with regrouping method. It is a borrow method or with regrouping method because 6 less than 9. 6 minus 9 is not possible because 6 less than 9. So it is called borrow method. First place value ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. First you take the ones place. Step 1. Here our ones place value is 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is not possible because 6 less than 9. 6 less than 9. 6 is a smallest number, 9 is a greatest number. We want to first greatest number minus smallest number. So it is not possible. So we go to borrow 110 from 10th place. Borrow 110 from 10th place. So 110, then already 6 carrying 16. 6 becomes 16. 6 becomes 16. Here borrow means 4. 5 becomes 4. Step 1, 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Next, step 2. Step 2. Tens place. Here our tens place is 4 only having. The second row nothing, 0. Here also 0. Here also 0. So 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 4 tens. 4 tens right in tens place. 4 tens right in tens place. Next we go to step 3. Here our step 3 is hundreds place. 3 minus 0. Hundreds place. 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. The next step 4, 1000 place. Here our 1000 place is 7 minus 0. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. So our answer is 7347. Our answer is 7347. The next one, question number 3. Write in columns and subtract. Write in columns and subtract. Both are 4-digit numbers. We want to minus 7,549 from 8,748. First one, write in columns. Columns means vertical wise. So first we write the vertical wise. 8,748. The next one, 7,549. Subtract means minus. Take the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Step 1. Ones place. Subtract the ones place. Here our ones place is 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. It is not possible. So borrow 110 from 10th place. So 1 already 8 carry. So 18. 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. The next one, step 2. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. The number 9 write in ones place. The next we go to the tens place. Step 2. Subtract tens place. Here our tens place is borrow 1 means 3. 4 becomes 3. 4 becomes 3. Here 3 minus 4. We want to minus 3 minus 4 is not possible because 3 is the smallest number and then 4 is the largest number. So you want to borrow in 100 place. Borrow 1 from 100 place. So 13. Already 3 having 100. So 13. 10. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Listen here. You borrow 100. So 7 minus 1 is equal to 600. 7 minus 1 is equal to 600. Next, we go to hundreds place. Step 3. Subtract hundreds place. Here are hundreds places. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 1 means 100. 100 write in hundreds place. Next we go to the thousands place. Subtract thousand place. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So our answer is 1149. 1149. Next one, by practice time 3. Subtract and check your answer. Subtract and check your answer. First we want to subtract. The given sum is 379 minus 246. 379 minus 246. First we write the number vertically. 379 minus 246. Take the place value ones, tens and hundreds. First we want to minus. Take the ones place. Our ones place is 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. Step 1. Ones place 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Number 3, write in ones place. The next we go to tens place. Step 2. Step 2, we want to tens place. Subtract 7 minus 4 or 710 minus 410. 710 minus 410 is equal to 3 tens. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. The next we go to hundreds place. 3 minus 2. Our 100 place value is step 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So our answer is 133. 379 minus 246 is equal to 133. Next we want to check our answer. We take answer with second term. We take answer with second term. The answer is 133. The answer is 133. Then second term is 246. 246. It is the second term. First one is answer, and then second one is second term. We want to add. Now we want to add. Listen here. Want to add 133 plus 246. You want to answer 379. You want to answer 379. First we add ones place, ones, tens and hundreds. First we add ones place. Our ones place value is 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. Step 1, add 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. The next we go to tens place. Here also add ones, here tens. We want to add tens place 310 plus 4 tens. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Next, we add hundreds place. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Our answer is 379. 379. We compare our answer with the first term. 379 is equal to 379. Both are equal. So hence verified. Hence verified. Next one, my practice time 4. Solve 394 plus 683 minus 472. So here 3 terms having. First we want to first 2 terms addition. 394 plus 683. You want to add first and second term. Take the place value ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. First we add the ones place. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. Step 1. Ones place. First we want to addition. Step 1. Ones place. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Next we go to the tens place. You want to add tens place. Our tens place value is 3 plus 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is equal to 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. It is a 2-digit number. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. 7 ones, 1 tens. 7 ones, write in ones tens place. 7 ones, write in tens place. And remaining 1 having. That means 1 tens having. The 1 tens carry over to the 100th place. The 1 tens carry over to the 100th place. Make it tens place. So we take the place value tens and hundreds. Tens and hundreds. Tens and hundreds. 7 tens right in tens place and 100 having 100 carry out to the hundreds place. So next we go to the hundreds place. Step 3. Hundreds place you want to add. Carry out the number 1 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 6 equal to 10. So our answer is 1077. 1077. We want to minus 472 from answer. We want to minus 472 from our answer. 1077 minus 472. First you write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. You want to minus 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So our answer is 605. 605. The next one, part 2. Add 3724 to 5173, then subtract 4029 from the answer. The first part we want to add two terms. 3724 plus 5173. We want to add. Take the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. We want to add. First we add ones place. 4 plus 3. First we add ones place. Step 1. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. The number 7 write in ones place. Next we go to the tens place. 2 plus 7. Step 2. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. The next hundreds place. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. The next one. 1000 plus 3000 plus 5000. Step 3. 3000 plus 5000 is equal to 8000. 8000 write in 1000 place. So our answer is 8897. Our answer is 8897. Next we want to minus. The answer is 8897. The next one given the number is 4029. We want to minus. So we take the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Take the place value ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. It is a subtract part. Step 1. Want to minus 7. 9. The ones place is 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 is not possible. So borrow 1 10 from tens place. Here already 7 having. So 7 becomes 17. Listen here. 7 becomes 17. 7 becomes 17. So our answer is 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. The number 8 write in ones place. The next we go to tens place. Here one borrow, that means 6 tens. 9 becomes 8 tens. 9 becomes 8. One borrow, so 9 becomes 8. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 8 minus 2. Next we go to the tens place. Step 2. Our tens place value is 9 becomes 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then step 3. Hundreds place. Here our hundreds place value is 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Number 8 writing hundreds place. 800. The next 1000 place. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So our answer is 4868. 4868. Next one, My practice time 6. Estimate difference by first rounding of numbers to the nearest 10. Estimate difference by first rounding of the numbers nearest to 10. Already we know the nearest 10. The given the number is first one 325, then second number 124. We want to minus, then before we take the rounded off nearest to 10. Nearest to 10. Nearest to 10. 325. We want to nearest to 10. So we consider the ones place first. 325 nearest to 330. Nearest to 330. The next one 124. It is nearest to 10. We want to, the ones place is 4. So the rounded value is 120. We want to estimate difference. So we subtract 120 from 330. We want subtract estimate difference 120 from 330 minus 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So estimate difference is equal to 210, or estimate difference is equal to 210. Difference means minus is equal to 210. The next one is also estimate difference by first rounding of the nearest hundreds. It is the nearest hundreds. First one is 769 minus 323. 769. We want to nearest 100. So we consider place. Tens place is here 6. So 769 nearest to 800. The next one 323. We want to nearest to 100. Here tens place is only 2. So it is nearest to 300. Next, estimate difference. We want to estimate difference. That means minus. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, we write estimate difference. Therefore, estimate difference is equal to 500. 500. Thank you to all.